I walk across a crisp winter's field in the cold edge of winter. Every step I take gets me closer to the wilderness. Gerald. I told you to get a shot of me going from one side of the screen to the other, not stop at the end and then run up like a little lunatic. Like a lunatic. I look like a lunatic running up like that. What do you mean? No, Gerald, do you like this job? Do you like this job? No, tell me now. Do you like this job? Okay, then do it. Hello? Do you like it? Then do your job. Do it. I can't look like that stupid. That's stupid. We'll make it do. I'll put music over it. It's fine.
Yo, what's up guys? It's me, it's Wilderness Bob here. I'm out here in the forests of America for you guys. I'm filming behind me. If you look closely, you might be able to see the Mississippi River. Maybe if you walk a little farther, you'll be able to see some river rafts or something like that. I'm out here looking for snakes, but so far I haven't found any. If you look closely here, you might be able to see North American soil. It's common in 3 states: Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Wyoming. Here behind me is one of the tallest trees in the world, the redwoods. I need more to say about the... Gerald, the script. You're supposed to give me a script, now I'm here improvising. No, come here, you're fired! Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, you might have just seen my butt. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm here by the water and I'm gonna find a big large stick. I'm gonna start smacking in the water. I'm gonna lure an alligator for you guys. I'm gonna catch one. I'm gonna catch one on camera and I'm gonna lure it to you. Alright guys, so I got my stick. I'm gonna just start smacking the water. I hope we can attract one. I'm gonna get another stick. I think I hear a gator, guys. I think there's one in these waters. It's close.
As I get closer and closer to the edge of the water, I wish I would have realized I was making the same mistake zebras make in the savannah. I had my eyes out for the gator, but the gator had his eyes out for me as well.
Alright guys, I don't want you to worry at all. He just got my hand, but I can do without. It's my left hand. I still have my right hand, that's my dominant hand, I'm fine. That's something you gotta know about being a wilderness explorer. You gotta improvise, adapt, overcome. Gerald, my lunch is in the shot. Now I'm supposed to be out here surviving, Gerald. God, you're on set duty now, Gerald, come on. Now what we see here is the remains of a snake. What kind of snake was it? I don't know, but my gut tells me venomous. What? I know that's a piece of a shoelace. Don't try and tell me. Who's the animal expert? Who's the animal expert? Me! I am. So don't do my job for me, okay? Now go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. Can we retake? Let's retake. Yeah, cheers, mate. What do you mean you're filming me now? Filming me now? I told you not to film when I wasn't in the wilderness. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't pay you for this. I don't pay. No, if you're gonna take this for granted, if you're gonna take what I give you for granted, then you can just leave. You can just leave, all right? No. If you don't want to be in the company of a wilderness explorer, then you can just leave. You can just get out of here. Yeah, get. I can't believe I do. I can't believe I deal with this. What is this still on? Is this thing still on? That's right, Gerald. You just keep walking that direction. Yeah, I don't need you anymore. Another camera. What am I, a reality show? Oh my god. Oh, I'm famous. I'm not that famous. How do I turn this off? How do I turn this off? Piece of crap. How do I turn this off?